Do you need to take a day off from work?
Are you nervous about asking your boss for leave?
Don't worry. Today, you'll learn simple and polite expressions for requesting time off.
Let's get started.
Good morning. Do you have a minute?
Sure. What can I do for you?
I'd like to talk to you about taking some time off.
Okay. When are you planning to take leave?
I'd like to take 2 days off next week.
Which days are you thinking about?
I'd like to take Thursday and Friday off.
Is there a particular reason?
Yes, I have a family event that I need to attend.
I see. Have you checked your schedule?
Yes, I have. I don't have any important meetings on those days.
That's good. Have you already talked to your team about your plans?
Not yet, but I can talk to them today.
That would be helpful.
I'll make sure all my important tasks are finished before I leave.
What about the project you're working on?
I'll complete the urgent parts before Thursday.
And if something unexpected happens?
I'll leave clear instructions for my team.
That sounds responsible.
I want to make sure my absence doesn't cause any problems.
I appreciate that.
So, would it be possible for me to take Thursday and Friday off?
Let me check the schedule first.
Of course.
We have an important meeting on Friday afternoon.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
Would you be able to attend the meeting before you leave?
Yes, absolutely.
Good. In that case, I don't think there will be a problem.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I'll approve the leave request after you submit it.
Great. I'll submit it right away.
Before you go, please make sure your work is up to date.
Sure. I'll finish everything I can before Thursday.
Could you also update the project notes?
Yes, I'll do that.
And please let your teammates know that you'll be away.
I'll send them a message this afternoon.
Perfect.
I'll also tell them how to contact me if there's an emergency.
That's a good idea.
I want to enjoy my time off without worrying about work.
Exactly. Planning ahead makes things easier for everyone. Are you going somewhere during your leave?
Yes, I'm going to visit my family.
That sounds nice.
I haven't seen them for a few months.
I'm sure they'll be happy to see you.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to it.
Are you taking any extra days off?
No, just Thursday and Friday. I'll be back on Monday.
Great. Enjoy your time with your family.
Thank you. What if I need to take leave because I'm not feeling well?
You can say, I'm not feeling well and I'd like to take a sick day.
What if I have an appointment?
You could say, I have an appointment and I'd like to take the afternoon.
That's useful.
Yes, the important thing is to be polite and explain your situation clearly.
So I shouldn't just say, I'm taking tomorrow off.
Right. It's better to ask politely and follow your company's leave policy.
That makes sense. Have you ever asked your boss for a day off at the last minute?
Yes, once.
What happened?
I completely forgot about my friend's wedding.
You forgot about a wedding?
I didn't forget the wedding, I forgot to request the day off.
What did your boss say?
He said, next time, check your calendar first.
That's good advice.
Definitely. Now I always check my calendar before making plans.
Let's review some useful expressions from today's conversation.
Do you have a minute?
I'd like to talk to you about taking some time off.
Would it be possible for me to take 2 days off?
I'd like to request leave for Thursday and Friday.
I'll make sure my work is up to date before I leave.
I'll be back on Monday.
Thank you for understanding.
Have you ever asked your boss for time off?
What was the reason? Tell us in the comments below.
Thanks so much for listening and learning with us today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.